Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is April 30th, 2025. This video is on a New England Journal Medicine article published. It's a phase 3 trial of semaglutide in metabolic dysfunction associated steatohepatitis. It's from the Essence Study Group and it's published today on April 30th. Metabolic dysfunction associated steatohepatitis, MASH, formerly NASH, is a progressive liver disease. MASH can lead to cirrhosis, liver cancer, and increased mortality, particularly fibrosis stage equal to or greater than 3. Semaglutide, a GLP-1 receptor agonist approved for type 2 diabetes and obesity, showed promise in earlier MASH trials. Only resmetirom has conditional FDA approval for MASH. New effective therapies are urgently needed. This is an ongoing phase 3 multi-center randomized double-blind placebo-controlled trial across 37 countries. 1197 patients with biopsy-confirmed MASH and fibrosis stage 2 or 3 were included. 800 were included in this interim analysis. Randomized 2:1 to receive semaglutide 2.4 milligrams weekly versus placebo for 240 weeks. The primary endpoints were resolution of steatohepatitis without fibrosis worsening and fibrosis reduction without MASH worsening. What did they find? This pre-specified interim analysis at 72 weeks showed that there was a resolution of steatohepatitis without fibrosis worsening in 62.9% of those who received semaglutide versus only 34.3% in the placebo group. Fibrosis reduction without MASH worsening 36.8% in the semaglutide group and then versus 22.4% in the placebo group. Combined histological improvement was 32.7% in the semaglutide group versus 16.1% in the placebo group. Mean body weight loss was 10.5% in the semaglutide group and only 2% in the placebo group. GI adverse events were more frequent with semaglutide. Safety was otherwise consistent with previous trials. Key takeaways: semaglutide significantly improves liver histology in MASH with fibrosis. Benefits extend to weight loss, glycemic control, insulin resistance, and liver stiffness. No new safety signals. Most common adverse events were GI related. This is a promising option for dual cardiometabolic and hepatic benefit pending long-term outcomes. What were the limitations? There was a small representation of black patients and lean patients, limiting generalizability. No genetic or alcohol biomarker data to assess heterogeneity of response. No information yet on progression to cirrhosis or long-term clinical outcomes. Body composition changes and impact on sarcopenia was not reported. Phase 2 results on cirrhosis-free survival are pending. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.